Dear students, we are continuing with the function of the thyroid gland. Now, thyroid gland is responsible for stimulating the protein synthesis and promote the growth of the body tissues by secreting the hormones. Okay, that means thyroid gland secrete the hormones, and those hormones, they stimulate protein synthesis. Okay, they also regulate the development of the mental faculties. They increase heat production, okay, and maintain body temperature. They help in metamorphosis of tadpole into adult frog. And if we remove the thyroid gland in tadpole larva, then larva fail to change into the adult. Then next is they increase action of neurotransmitters like adrenaline and noradrenaline. Now let's discuss the function of thyrocalcitonin. It is secreted when calcium level in the blood becomes high. If the calcium level is lower, and the thyrocalcitonin, okay, will ensure that the blood do not have excess of calcium in it, as it help in reducing the level of the calcium, okay, because it suppress the release of calcium ions from the bones. Thus thyrocalcitonin has an action that is opposite to that of parathyroid hormone on calcium metabolism. Okay, thyrocalcitonin is also called calcitonin, and it is a peptide and contain about 32 amino acids. Now thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism, okay, that is we have hyperthyroidism. Hypersecretion of thyroid hormone is called hyperthyroidism. Another term used for it is exophthalmic goiter, Graves' disease, then Best-Dose disease, and Paris disease. Okay, it is a thyroid enlargement. Okay, thyroid gland becomes enlarged, thyroid become enlarged, okay, and that is the goiter condition in which thyroid secrete excessive amount of thyroid gland than thyroid hormone. It is characterized by the protrusion of the eyeballs. That means eyeballs start coming out or protruding outside because of fluid accumulation behind them. A fluid start accumulating behind the eyeballs. A loss of weight is there. Slightly rise in body temperature. Body temperature increases. Excitability, okay, excitability is also there. Then there is rapid heartbeat is there, nervousness is there, and restlessness is there. Then next condition is hypothyroidism. In this, the secretion of thyroid hormones are less. Cretinism is one of the disorder. In this disorder, the deficiency of thyroid hormone in infant is there. As creatine has slow body growth and the mental development of reduced metabolic rate. That means the metabolic rate reduces and the mental growth is slow. Other symptoms in this disorder are slow heartbeat, low blood pressure, decrease in temperature, stunted growth, the belly becomes pot like, okay, and the chest become just like that of the pigeon, that is the protruded chest, okay. Then decrease in temperature is there, protruding tongue comes out, retarded sexual development is there, and this disease can be treated by an early administration of the thyroid hormones, okay. Next we have is myxedema or the girl's disease. It is caused by deficiency of thyroid hormone in adults. This disease is characterized by puffy appearance due to accumulation of fat in the subcutaneous tissue. because of low metabolism rate. Okay, metabolic rate becomes low due to the less secretion of the thyroid hormone. The patient lack alertness, the alertness is not there, then intelligence and initiativeness is not there in such patient. He also suffer from slow heartbeat, low body temperature, retarded sexual development, and this disease also can be treated by administration of the thyroid hormone. Now, simple goiter, this is caused by deficiency of iodine in diet. Okay, and because of iodine is needed for synthesis of thyroid hormone. Okay, thyroid hormone cannot be secreted in the deficiency of the iodine. Okay, so this simple deficiency disease take place. It causes thyroid enlargement. It may lead to cretinism or myxedema. Okay, this disease is common in hilly areas. Addition of iodine to the table salt prevent this disease. So this disease, simple goiter, is common in the hilly areas. Okay. Next we have is Hashimoto's disease. In this disease, all the aspect of thyroid functions are impaired. Okay, and this is an autoimmune disorder. Okay, and this disease, it is an autoimmune disease in which the thyroid gland is destroyed by autoimmunity. Okay, that means the immune system start working against the one's own immune system. Okay, so this is about the thyroid gland.